How you guys doing? Making a quick video. For some reason, his parents stopped feeding him. So I've been coming out here and giving him some food. Almost every 2 to 3 hours, checking on him. These guys are on eggs. Hopefully they'll hatch pretty soon. Standing in here with these guys. It's hot as hell. No wonder they go through the water so fast. Everybody's doing good. Gotta clean them this weekend. If I don't work. If I work, then I'm not. But I gotta make time for them, so. And then we got these guys. You guys are on eggs. Doing good. They're on eggs. They're on one egg, I believe, though. She looks like she's getting ready to hatch pretty soon. Or lay eggs. And this one up here, he's on the eggs. That's one of the babies. Getting ready to throw them out pretty soon. That's another one right there. So she laid her eggs wherever she wants, and I let her. I don't try to force them back in there. See, there's her 2 eggs. So, but we'll see what happens. So, all right, guys, y'all have a good one. Peace.